Welcome to Gerontological Nursing. I will be your instructor, Diana Crane. You can find my contact information on the website. Texting or calling are both welcome. In this course, you will be learning how to care for the older adult patient. The geriatric population is growing ever larger every year. Geriatric patients have unique concerns and needs. The body changes as we grow older, and lifestyle issues such as social, marital, financial, these changes happen as well and have to be included in our care of this population. The geriatric population includes our family members, soldiers, businessmen, presidents, mothers, and fathers. We have a responsibility to care for this generation appropriately. About your instructor. I have been a nurse for 11 years. I have worked in orthopedics for most of those, and I have taught clinical for several years. I am board certified in geriatrics and orthopedics, and that is mainly the patient population that I see on my floor. I have 4 children and 3 grandchildren. I have 4 dogs and 4 cats, and they do pretty much run the house. What I expect from you is that you will be on time and prepared for class and respectful of yourselves and others. You will find your reading assignments and an area for your discussion questions, journal assignments, and quizzes, each on the website. I'm looking forward to working with all of you this semester. I hope you enjoy it, and I can't wait to see you in class. Thank you.